Installing wind turbines can be challenging due to obstacles like hard soil, rock and clay, which can make it difficult to drive the piles needed to secure the turbines in place. At the Grab Specialist, we hear you. With our Pile Grab, you can remove any obstacle, providing a clean foundation for building. Our grabs are always custom-made, built to the highest standards, and fit perfectly inside the piles, so you can easily overcome any challenge in your project. The mouth of the grab is specifically designed to remove obstructions inside the pile. Use our power pack to increase the force output, making your process safer and more efficient. After use, you can safely store the grab on the C fastening frame. To help you out, TGS offers a range of services, including training, supplying spare parts, and on-site support from TGS engineers. Contact us at tgs-grabs.nl for more information.